Hi, I'm Prima Gabi. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The PG Lifestyle. Well, The PG Lifestyle actually covers all angles or all aspects of life, and so none is spared. Guess where we are taking you to this time around? We are taking you to a gospel show we attended that Feel the Rhythm. Well, one may ask, what really is the significance of attending these gospel shows and whole lot? Well, it really promotes your well-being. Imagine as a human, you need to be committed to the Most High God. You need to be worshiping and adoring Him each and every time. And so once you're doing that, it promotes your well-being. It also reduces stress. Assuming you've been going to work like Monday to Friday each and every time, and the 2 days you have to stay at home, you need to get something to also reduce stress. So once you attend these gospel shows, it also reduces stress. It also enhances our overall mood. Once you attend these shows, you are being excited, you keep on having reminiscing over the experiences you had, so your overall mood also gets enhanced. And also it also provides unity for the community. It brings along different people from all backgrounds to meet and worship the Most High God, and also to meet new friends and make merry as well. Well, as said earlier, this is the PG Lifestyle, and it covers all angles. Where this time around we're taking you to a gospel show. Well, it's had a feeling of everything in this show, because there was choral, there was contemporary music, there was a feel of high life gospel, and a whole lot. In fact, as you watching the video, you're really going to enjoy us, because I wouldn't be able to tell you all the details, but then watching it would really testify that what I am saying is a big fact.
But as a community, united by our love for music and our shared desire to spread light and positivity in the world. Music has a unique power to transcend boundaries, touch our hearts.
This is the PG Lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. So then I asked, what other topic related to lifestyle and faith would you like to see on this channel? Drop their submissions in the comments box. Well, have you watched the morning routine yet? If you haven't watched, you're missing a lot, and so watch it right there.